Hi Girish, how are you? Sorry I could not make it today. Hope you know the reasons for it. And I would like to thank you on this occasion. Thanks for all the support that you have extended over the years. And I wish that we will have few more such milestones within Bosch. And each one of us would be looking for such milestone in Bosch. And you are one among them. Thank you. All the very best.
Dear Girish, today you are completing 20 years of service in Bosch. I congratulate you on this long and dedicated service to Bosch. I have worked with you very closely on a day-to-day basis for 5 years during 2003 to 2008 in Monoblock Elements department at Banpi. You are a dedicated, sincere and committed worker. You are hands-on on all the machines with which you have dealt with. I find you as a very good team player and a good human being. You have supported me a lot during the crisis periods when you were working with me. I wish you all the best for your future and I pray God to bless you with good health, prosperity and success.
Dear Girish, nice to see that you have completed 20 years of your service in Bosch. It's not a small thing to complete that. Wish you all the best and wish you many more years in Bosch. Keep it up, Girish. Thank you.
Very good morning to you, Girish. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate you on surpassing the 20-year mark of career at Bosch. It's not a joke. 20 years is a long journey, an enriching journey too. Especially the department in which you work, you bring in a lot of innovations and a lot of good solutions to customers. And the contribution that you've done to my team, our teams and our departments is really immense, and then we appreciate and then we thank you very much. And I wish you very many more years of success in working at Bosch, and I want you to bring smiles to many more customers on the way. Good luck to you.
Hello Girish, congratulations on your work anniversary. Your contributions to the company and the department is really well appreciated. And on this occasion, I would like to say that thank you for being an essential part of my success as well. And I would also like to say that you are a valued part of the team. And on this occasion, wishing you all the success in the years ahead.
Hey Girish Godre, Namaskara. Congratulations on your work anniversary of 20 years with this organization. You have grown every day with this organization with your sincere efforts and your commitment to this organization in your tasks, roles and activities. Each project what you have taken within our team has proved a good identity for our function and a great value addition to their business units. You have been sincerely putting your great efforts, involvement and commitment to the projects that have been taken up and showing your expertise and the quality of job that you carried out. Wishing you many more success ahead and seeing you going up the ladder in the days to come, and you along with your family cherishing every moment of stay in this organization and along with our team. Wishing you a great day today and enjoy this day along with your family and friends and we all, and we together join hands today to wish you a great success for your service anniversary of 20 years. Congratulations dear, and keep going, keep smiling, keep enjoying every day in this organization. Thank you and wishing you all the best dear.
Girish, congratulations for completing your 2 decades at Bosch. Very big milestone for anybody for that matter to give 2 decades of their life to an organization. I've really seen you in close quarters, what you have contributed and what personality you have become. We are very happy and proud that we are colleagues, and congratulations once again and all the very best for the rest of your stint here. Bye-bye.
Hi Girish, congratulations for your 20 years journey in Bosch. I think hope you will continue to enjoy Bosch and you continue to contribute a lot of things in Bosch. All the best Girish. Thank you.
Hello Girish sir, congratulations for your 20 years. Wishing you all the best.
Hello Girish sir, Namaskara. On this special day, I congratulate you for completing 20 years of dedicated service in Bosch. And I wish you many more success and happiness in coming years. Thank you so much.
Hi Girish. First of all, congratulations for completing 20 years of service in Bosch. It's a huge milestone and all the very best for your future. Cheers.
Congratulations Gaudre for completing 20 years of service in Bosch. All the very best.
Hi Girish, I came to know you completed 20 years of service in Bosch. Happy work anniversary Girish. All the best.
Dear Girish, we wish you and congrats for your 20 years of dedicated service to Bosch. We hope to see you many more years of service to Bosch. Thank you and all the best.
ಗಿರೀಶ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಬಾಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 20 ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದ ಈ ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆ ದೇವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಆಯುಷನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಲಿ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Hi Gaudre, congrats on your achievement. I see a childhood friend, a selfless, innocent, natural personality. I enjoyed pulling his leg the most. As per me, you have just started your new beginning today. Give a flying start for this new beginning. Gedduba. Cheers, Shivanand Shetty.
Hey Girish, is it really been 20 years since you started here? I guess time flies when you are having fun. Thanks for your years of services, your hard work, your dedication, and for everything you have done to make Bosch and CTS what is today. Thanks for your all support. You supported me when I was there in Bosch. I wish you best of luck in future. Thank you.
Namaskara Gaudre. Congratulations on your work anniversary. You have given a dedicated and selfless 20 years of your life to Bosch. That's a great contribution. You have also enriched yourself with knowledge and experience in the field of engineering, manufacturing, corporate purchase and government projects. You are a champion and all-rounder in CTS department. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಡು ಮುಟ್ಟದ ಸೊಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ, ಗಿರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹರಿ ಮಾಡದ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ CTS INL. Thanks for being in a department and supporting and guiding us whenever we are in need. On this occasion, I wish you achieve many more milestones both in your personal as well as professional life. May God bless you and your family with immense peace, happiness and success. All the best.
Hi Girish, congratulations. 20 years is a very big milestone. I am really proud of your achievement, and on behalf of Bosch, I really would like to thank you for all your contribution for the success of organization. And personally, I would like to thank you for all your passion, commitment, dedication, and I really enjoyed working with you during my days in CMPIN and later TSIN. What I liked the most during our collaboration during my CMPIN days is your passion for technology and your hungerness to bring with a new innovative solution. So the examples what you created, I think if I open the CMPN booklet, most of the very interesting technical solutions are from you. Big thank you from my side, and I wish you all the very best, and I wish you many more milestones to come. Thank you. All the best.